Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another Nbeads video, and this is a follow-up to my original video. Now, if you haven't seen my video where I created these adorable little earrings, they are so fun. Craft with me. I made them with buttons and these adorable charms that I got from Nbeads. They're so fun, and I can't wait to give it to my besties. But I wanted to show you what I did with them. So I want to show you the products that I'm using today. We have these Halloween, this Jackolantern little patches, and if you don't know, you guys, I'm so obsessed with these. I use a small Walmart iron, and these seal so well. They're so nice. They have the adhesive, obviously they're iron on the back, and they make everything so cute. So I'm gonna make some really fun items, and I also just show the charms again. Got these little ghosties, so cute, and you get a bunch in this bag, and they have the little eyelet attached to it. So again, so cute. We got little Luna. I'll show you that. I'm in love with her, especially this year with the Prima Luna collection. So cute. We got the Jack-o'-lantern wearing the witch's hat. I'm sorry, I'm gonna open this. Like just like that. So cute. And then I have this little ghosty charm. I love these little witch's hat, which I did do something with. And then you got these little ghosty charms. So cute. So I went and I took a simple Dollar Tree bag. You've seen these cosmetic bags before. They definitely still have them. I took that little jack-o'-lantern and I added the little patch in the corner. Again, there is a plastic lining to this. See that? But if you go with low heat and just go slowly, this will stick on no problem. Obviously, the corners are done nicely. And then I took some iron-on vinyl and I cut this out with my Cricut, and I love how fun this is. So I'm making a little boo bag for my girlfriends on Halloween to give them as little treats when we're trick-or-treating. So in here I included the little earrings that I made, and I'm using a die from Pixie Dust Designs. And I just made some little dangles out of them. And I thought this was so cute, you guys. Thought this was really fun way to send these homemade earrings that I made. And then in here I also have this box of sequins. Let's see, this is another Pixie Dust Designs video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave that down below. But again, I have some sequins mix in here. A fun little mix in this really pretty hollow bag. Put that back in. Okay, just like that. And then next up, I have a little dangle that I made. I'm going to show you that, and I have that in a little baggie as well. And here is my little dangle charm. So fun. I'm just gonna unclip this from this little ephemeral piece. I have sequins in here as well, which makes it a lot more fun. But just move this aside. Look how cute this is. So I'm using a bunch of wire wrap beads that I had in my stash. I did take those two, the little jack-o'-lantern. I took the little ghosty, and I added that little witch's hat on top as a charm. And I love how fun this is and how it came out. You've got a lot of different elements. And I really think these things are, the chunkier the better. So my little boo gift to my friends on Halloween. And that is it for my video today. I'll leave product information down below if you are interested in any of these items. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.